How to choose an affiliate program. If you are an affiliate marketer, you have two options. The first option is to choose the product which has a great demand in the market. These items are expected to be sold immediately due to the interest of the people. Some examples of such particular items are dating sites, casino sites, and weight loss products. The second option is to choose a product that suits your interests and you, yourself, like to promote it. We recommend you choose a product which is considered to be the hot product in the market as well as you having some interest in it. For example, if you are a golfer, then you should choose golfing products to promote. These products are among the hottest products on the market. Plus, if you are a golfer, it will be easy for you to give detailed information about it on your website. So you can give lots of information there. You can write the basic rules about that sport. You can also write the tips about how new golfers can improve their playing skills. You can also give some guidance to anyone who may want to purchase golf equipment by suggesting the best place to go for good quality equipment. Similarly, you can give lots of golf-related information on your website that may attract more visitors. Let us look at some of the important things before promoting any affiliate program. Choose hot products. Always choose the items which have a high demand in the market. If you want to choose a product but don't know about the demand of that product, then visit overture.com. Here you can check the bidding status of a product. If you find that many sellers are bidding for it, then it means it is a demanding product. Be familiar with product. You must be knowledgeable about the product you are selling. If you do not know much about the product, how can you satisfy and convince your customer? You must know all the drawbacks of the product. Also do the comparative study of the product with the other same types of products present in the market. Provide your customers with this comparative study using graphs and tables. This will help sell your customers. Good sales letter. Your sales letter is considered to be the key point for boosting your sales. It should be convincing enough for your consumer to want to buy. A good sales letter will attract visitors. You should also add some testimonials in it to make it more effective and believable. Money-back guarantee. If you want consumers to buy your product with no hesitation, then give them the benefit of a money-back guarantee. If the affiliate program owner is not providing this guarantee with the product, then you should look for another merchant. Contact info. Physical address and contact info must be given on the site. This makes your website more reliable and trustable to your customers. Real-time statistics. Choose the affiliate program that can show you the real-time statistics of your visitors and sales. This will tell how many visitors are going to the merchant website from your website and how many visitors are converted into buyers. This will help you to see your progress. How to find profitable affiliate programs. It is not difficult to find profitable affiliate programs. It is advised to search the most popular directories like associateprograms.com or affiliatematch.com. Another option is to search in regular affiliate networks like ClickBank for digital goods, and Commission Junction, mainly for physical goods. Choosing the right affiliate program is the key factor. Always study the program in detail before choosing. See what are they offering. Good affiliate programs offer good profit, money-back guarantee, real-time statistics, and complete information about their products. You can search the good affiliates by using well-known and trusted affiliate networks like Commission Junction and ClickBank.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.